basis.
One of the hot topics I know that you've expressed a lot about with young athletes and even some of the more experienced athletes is this idea of self-awareness and how critical it is to performance.
Sure. So I was just talking to a pro athlete this morning, and we were discussing, I said, self-awareness is like the absolute foundational skill for mental toughness or mental skills training. And because of our devices and our phones and technology, a lot of times we just don't ever sit with our thoughts anymore. And so these younger athletes, they get out of practice or they get out of games and they jump right on their phones, and they're never just at just sitting and being with their own thoughts. And so a lot of times they don't know who they are without their sport, or their identity is just in their sport. And we have to kind of parcel that out and help them do that. They struggle with their why, like why are they even playing, to what is fun. Like you'll ask athletes, they'll tell you it's not fun anymore. And I'm like, okay, but what is fun? And they struggle telling you what is fun about sports. And so that is a huge thing. It's getting them to reflect and write. We have something that we have them do called a rut, which is raw unfiltered thoughts. So having them write a rut, which is just getting anything that's going on in their head down on a piece of paper, so we can understand their thoughts and their emotions. Because if we can understand that, then we can get to, the why behind maybe inconsistent performance or struggles they may be having. So the self-awareness piece is the absolute foundational skill. And there's lots of different cool things that we've come up with to really help athletes today to try to explore those internal thoughts and feelings.